Nutralife Feminine Gummies claim to support women's health with ingredients like cranberry, vitamin B6, and black cohosh, aimed at balancing mood, energy, and wellness. But is it legit? Or just another overhyped gummy? The formula contains real vitamins and plant-based extracts known for general well-being and hormonal balance. Some users report feeling calmer and more energized after regular use, while others see no major changes. Pros: tasty, easy to take, natural ingredients. Cons: expensive for what you get and effects vary from person to person. It's not FDA approved, so always consult your doctor before use, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. So, is Nutralife Feminine Gummies worth buying? Not a scam. It's a legitimate supplement, but results may be mild or even unnoticeable depending on your body. If this review helped you decide, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.